So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add special characters to text or to your design here on Visme. So it's pretty straightforward. What you have to do first is actually first off add some text to your document. So go to the top left, press on the text icon right here, and how about we just type in special characters just for demonstration purposes, obviously. So we're going to go ahead here and use this as an example and how to add some special characters to the design. So what we can do here is actually press on the text, go to edit right here to open up this top bar. Now, once you have this top bar open, go to the top right and press on more and get this drop down by pressing on it right here. So on the left hand side, you have spacing, fill in border, transform, special, and text direction. And I guess you probably guessed it, press on special. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and select whatever special characters you want. So you can the R, the registered, the copyright, the trademark, the dot dot dot, a bunch of different signs, whatever the case may be. You can also press on more to open up more of a keyboard, and then select whatever special characters you want. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can add special characters to a design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.